Hey loves, welcome to Vlogmas! Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and Vlogmas. My name is LaToya Ebony. Take a look around, subscribe if you love all things hair. Now today we are going to be doing 3 very easy, very simple hairstyles for any special occasion, event, party, or even the holiday season. If you have not seen part 1 where I show you how to get these curls, I will link that down below. Let's get into it.
What you'll need: a leave-in conditioner for hydration, some mousse for hold, a tail comb, a pick for volume, duck-bill clips to keep your hair in place, metallic bobby pins, U-shaped pins, regular bobby pins, a ponytail holder, a soft brush for smoothing, some rhinestones, and a bunch of accessories to jazz your look up. Style number 1. Once you have your perm rod set, or however you'd like your hair, you're going to take a section of hair above your ear, close to your temples, and you're going to create some rows of hair by parting it. This is going to be the basis of your flat twist. You can do flat twists, you can do braids, whatever you're comfortable with. Then you'll take some leave-in conditioner and apply it to the hair just to keep the hair soft, because we are going to add mousse and we don't want our hair to be too dry. Now mousse dries very fast, so you want to move quickly. You can take a brush and smooth things down and then do your flat twist. I'm only doing 2 for the purposes of this video, but you can do as many as you'd like, and just use some bobby pins to secure it. You can also use gel, and I have this got to be glue that is really good at holding down your edges, especially if you have type 4 hair. So go ahead and give that a try. This looks good already, but we're gonna keep going. Take some rhinestones, I will link some down below, and use that got to be glue and the tail of that tail comb and apply them to your flat twist or your braid. The flatter the flat twist, the better. And to secure it in place, just use a little bit of warm heat and your blow dryer. And that is the look. It is so simple to do, but it adds a little bedazzle, a little sparkle, a little zest to any simple hair look, and it just looks like $1,000,000. Now for the rhinestone removal, because I've gotten this question before, just use water. The got to be glue is not really a glue, of course. You just use some water and take them off. Easy peasy. And now for some variation. Go ahead and take some metallic bobby pins and create a crisscross pattern over those flat twists or braids. This is something that's so simple to do. I actually saw it on Pinterest once and I was like, this is brilliant. It's a regular bobby pin, but because they're metallic, it actually looks festive and like everything was intentional, because obviously it was. And it's just a cute little quick style. Now let's take this down so we can do style number 2. Bring out the ponytail holders, the gift wrapping bows, the headbands. This style is very simple, but it looks oh so elegant. So you're going to take a section of your hair in the front that will serve as the bang and section that off, and make sure it's a healthy section. Then you're going to smooth your hair up in the back and on the sides. You can use a little gel or some mousse to keep things intact. It's gonna look so good. Take that ponytail holder or whatever kind of holder you like using and create a high puff. You're gonna smooth the hair, make it look good. You can use a blow dryer to make sure it dries in place. And the pick will be used just to give yourself some more volume on that ponytail. Take some bobby pins and straight pins, and you are just going to maneuver that hair in the front so that you create a bang. If you have shorter hair, you do not have to do this, but I do this to make sure that the bangs are not getting in my eyes too much and that they're kind of a more defined section. This is nice all on its own, of course, but you can jazz it up with some hair accessories. I really love using headbands when my hair is up like this. I think it looks so elegant and pretty, and you know, it works with any headband. Now for a little variation. Take those gift wrapping bows and put them in your hair. Pin them to the side of your ponytail, and you can use any variation of bows that you like. This is supposed to be fun and festive and just get someone to say, oh my god, that's so cute, it's such a good idea. People will give you compliments. It's so simple and it's easy to take out. Style 3. This is where you can use those U-pins that have a little bit more of an embellishment on them. You're going to take that bang, get rid of it, and put it into that high puff. You don't have to do this, but it's optional. Take some water and a holding agent of some sort. I'm using mousse. Smooth the hair up. You can smooth it down with a brush if you'd like. And if you're the kind of person who likes to create designs on their hairline, go ahead and do that. I'm just doing a simple swoop. And you can add a headband. This is a simple holiday thing that you can do. Or you can take some of these embellished U-pins and add them all over your puff just to create a little intrigue. I find the more pins, the better. You just have to make sure they're secure so that when you're dancing, they don't fall out. And that is the look. So easy, so festive, and fun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial full of easy holiday hairstyles for any party, event, or special occasion. With that, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Mwah!